I just wanted to show this quick video. You know, I'm down in a basement, right? And the hardest thing to do is to get these ceilings looking good. It really is, because floor joists are bad. But I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned. These are all light cans that are going into the ceiling, and once these go in and you turn these lights on, you can't see anything in the ceiling. But if you shut these lights off and there's a lot of light coming through that window, right, you're going to see everything on that ceiling. Because if you finished it with just a light on the floor, you're not getting that light across the ceiling. So I found if I stuck my light in the window where the light's going to be coming in, I can finish this ceiling and it's going to look beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Little secret trick. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.